Hi there! Today, I'm going to show you how to invite guests to your Matidor portfolio and projects, so you can collaborate with clients and external partners effortlessly. First, let's talk about roles. In Matidor, user roles define what someone can see and do. There are workspace managers, project managers, and guest roles like guest manager, guest contributor, and guest viewer. To invite a guest, start by navigating to Settings then Users in your workspace. This is where you'll manage all your user access. Click the Add User button and enter the guest's email address. From the drop-down, choose a guest role, like guest viewer if they're just reviewing, guest contributor if you want them to collaborate, or guest manager for a higher permission on the project shared. Now choose which projects you want to share with them. You can invite them to one or multiple projects right here. It's super flexible. Click Done, and Matidor will send an email invitation. Your guest just needs to click the link to accept and join. Already have guests in your workspace? No problem. You can share projects with them anytime. Open a project, click the three dots menu, and choose Share. Start typing the guest's name or email, select them, and hit Invite. Guests will instantly get access to that project. And remember, portfolios are a way to group projects together with an overview of progress and budgets. Sharing portfolios with your guest is pretty simple. Let's start by expanding to Table View. From here, you have the option to share a couple or all the projects inside the portfolio. Click the three dots menu and choose Manage Invitations to invite your guests. That's it. Now you know how to invite guests in Matidor, define the right roles, and share access to portfolios and projects. Perfect for working with external collaborators. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.